Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the lethal genes. Lethal genes. The lethal genes means these are the mutant genes. The mutant genes means they get changed from their wild form. So they are known as the mutant. So these are the mutant gene which causes death of the possessor or death of the organism which carries them. Okay. And this individual, they occurs either, or death of that individual occurs either in early prenatal stage or postnatal. The death it may be either prenatal stage. Prenatal stage means before birth. Before birth, that is known as the prenatal stage. It may be in the zygotic condition or it may be in the embryonic condition, and it may be the postnatal. Death of the organism which carries the lethal genes, it may be before prenatal stage or it may be after postnatal stage. The postnatal stage means it is after the birth. So, the postnatal after the birth before it attains the sexual maturity. That means these organisms which possesses the lethal genes, they do not attain the maturity or they do not attain the sexual maturity. Particularly when these lethal genes, for example, the one it is the lethal gene. Okay. So when this lethal gene it is in homozygous dominant condition, then it causes death at zygote stage or at the embryonic stage. And when it is in recessive condition, then also it causes the death before birth. That means at any embryonic stage. So, this why suppose it is the lethal gene, when it is in homozygous dominant condition, it causes death of that organism at the zygote stage. But when it is in recessive condition, then also it kills the organism, but just before birth at the embryonic condition. Okay. So, these organisms generally they removed from the population immediately as it arose. That means these lethal genes, they are not good, and therefore it do not reproduce and it do not again it produce their progenies. So as they appears, they get diminished or they get destroyed. Or so these are the lethal genes which causes death of the organism. So the Mendel's ratio 3:1, it get modified into 2:1. So this lethal gene, it shows the ratio 2:1. Okay. So there is one example of that lethal genes. We know that the mouse, it has the two colors. The one, it has different shades. The one is yellow and the next is the grey, or it is also known as agouti. It is known as the agouti. As well as there may be another color, black. Okay. So, for example, the yellow, it has the genotype capital AY. The agouti or grey, it has the it has the gene capital A, and the black, it has the gene A. That means when A is there, it produces the black. When A or AA, it produces the agouti. And when this A, it along with the small y, or it may be the capital Y, it causes the death of the organism. Okay. So this Y gene, it is the lethal gene. So if you study the hierarchy, or if we look at the hierarchy of this genes, so the AY is dominant over A, and this capital A is dominant over the small a. Okay. So when there is a cross between the two yellow mouse, okay. So the yellow mouse, it cross with the another yellow mouse. Okay. So this yellow mouse, it has the A capital Y and one single A. Okay. This another A capital Y small a. Okay. So it is heterozygous yellow and agouti. It is the heterozygous for yellow and agouti. Yellow is dominant and therefore it express over the agouti. Okay. Then it is heterozygous for yellow and black. Heterozygous for yellow and black. Okay. So then it produces the two types of gametes, capital A, Y and capital A. Okay. And it produces two types of gametes, A, Y and A. Okay. So when we draw a Punnett square, two gametes, two genes. So here capital A, Y, here capital A, here also capital A, Y, and small a. Okay. So here capital A, Y, A, Y. So it is yellow, but it get dye. Why it get dye? Because there is a two homozygous dominant Y, this lethal and alleles, and therefore it get dye. Okay. Then the next, it is capital A, Y and A. Okay. So it possesses yellow as well as agouti. Okay. But yellow is dominant over agouti, so it gives the appearance yellow coat of the mouse. Coat means skin color of the mouse. So coat color or the hair fur of the mouse, it is yellow in appearance because it has the yellow, it is dominant over A. Therefore A, it expresses its characters, but it has the two different alleles, therefore it survives. Okay. Similarly here, capital A, capital Y and here the small a. So one gene, it is in recessive condition and one is the dominant condition for yellow. So it is also yellow. Okay, it is also yellow. So both this yellow, this yellow will get die off, and then capital A, small a, it produce agouti, or it is also known as grey. Agouti, or it is also known as grey. So the four organisms are produced the yellow, 3 and 1 is agouti. But out of 3 yellow, the yellow in which the two dominant Y gene is present, it gets die off. So there it produces only 2 yellow and the one is agouti, or we can say that gray. So 2 yellow and 1 it is agouti or gray. Okay, and 1 get die off. So lethal genes. Lethal genes means what? The lethal genes means these are the mutant genes which causes the death of the organisms which carries or which possesses it. Okay, it may be in the homozygous condition or it may be in the recessive condition. When it is in homozygous dominant condition, it definitely kills the organism at the zygote level or pre-embryonic stage. But if it is in recessive condition, it causes the death, but it is in embryonic condition. Okay, that means just start development, embryonic stage, and then it causes the death. Okay, so these genes, they are the lethal genes. Even though these organisms survive, but they do not attain the maturity or they do not attain the sexual maturity of that organism. Before that, they get dies off, and therefore these lethal genes, they are harmful. Therefore, nature it eradicate that that gene from the population as it arose. Okay, so here I hope you got the points. Thank you very much.